Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see our fourth chapter, lines and angles, introduction and first exercise. See here you are observing some pictures, right? Two pictures. So in these two pictures, PQ and UXST, okay, and here A, B, C, D, EC, AE, all these are line segments, right? And here we can observe angles also, right? Angle UPQ and QXS angle here, okay? So these lines and angles are very useful for engineers and architects and carpenters to make the sofas and chairs like that. Okay, so here also they gives, you see, an architect has to draw a plan for buildings before construction, towers, bridges. So this architect has to draw many lines and parallel lines at different angles. So lines and angles are very useful in the construction of anything in our daily life, right? So we'll see that chapter now. Page number 71. Do this. Observe your surroundings carefully and write any three situations of your daily life where you can observe lines and angles. In surroundings means we can write so many things, right? So just like blackboard in your classroom, chairs, tables and books also you can write. So the edges of books also lines. In the corners we can see angles, right? Okay. And next, draw the pictures in your notebook and collect some pictures. So you can draw some pictures, okay, like same black chairs, tables, books, simple pictures also you can draw. That is our do this. So point is the basic geometrical figure which used to locate anything in a space. Okay, and we can say point is the geometrical figure which has no length, no breadth and no height also we can define. But Euclid considered point as undefined terms. Right, in our third chapter we learned about that. Okay, this is the point. So if I draw a line like this, okay, and put the arrow marks like this, that means I can continue this line. So this is called line, okay, and a part of it, that means if I took here to here, it has starting point and end points, that means it has end points. So this is called segment, means part, and this is a part of line, so we call as it as line segment. Okay, line segment. And next, if one endpoint is there and other side if there is no endpoint, that is called a ray. Okay, so if we on the torchlight, the rays will comes like this, right? So starting point is there but there is no end point, so those are called rays. Okay, and next, you know some concepts but here we just recalling. Okay, so one ray is like this, and if this ray travels from here to here like this, okay, so now angle will be formed. Okay, so the angle is formed by rotating a ray from initial position to terminal position. Okay, so this is the angle. And here type of angles, there is a type of angles also there. If it is two arms are like this, we call it as 90, right? So 90 degrees is right angle. It is right angle. Okay. So if anything is less than 90, that means like this. Here, just if we draw like this only, it is 90, right? So it is less than 90 means it is acute angle. So the angles less than 90, we call it as acute angles. And a ray is like this, and if we draw like this, it is 90. And another ray is like this. This angle is greater than 90. This is obtuse angles. Okay, obtuse angles. So always you consider the straight one as 90. So if it is greater than 90, it is obtuse, and it is less. If it is less than, it is acute. And if an angle is like this, straight angle. Okay, so here straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degrees, and this is straight angle, right? So if I draw like this, and what is this angle? This is straight angle, and it is greater than straight angle, right? So that is called reflex angle. Greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. And 360 degrees we call as complete angle. Okay. So these are the types of angles. And now if two lines are like this without having any common point. Okay. Without having any common point, and there is no angle also between those two lines, they are called parallel lines. What are those? Parallel lines. If two line segments have one common point, they are called intersecting lines. These two intersect at this point. These are called intersecting lines. If three or more lines intersect at one point, they are called concurrent lines. What are those? Concurrent lines. These are intersecting lines, and these are concurrent lines. Okay. The point at which these lines concurrent are called point of concurrence. This is point of intersection. Okay. So in page number 74, think, discuss and write what is the difference between intersecting lines and concurrent lines. So I wrote like this. So difference between intersecting and concurrent lines is if two lines intersect at one point, they are called intersecting lines. And if three or more lines intersect at one point, they are called concurrent lines. So these are intersecting and these are concurrent. So you can write names here also. Intersecting lines and concurrent lines. Exercise 4.1. See the first one. In the given figure, name any 6 points. So we have to write any 6 points. So we can write all the letters here. A, B, C, D, E, F. Here letters. Okay. And G, H, M, N is there. P, Q, and XY also there. Okay. So these are the points here. So you can write any 6 among these. Okay. So up to here you can write. Any 5 line segments. What is line segment? It should have endpoint, right? So see this. This is XY and MN line segments, right? And PQ. Okay. And we have MP and NQ. They ask you to write any 5. Okay. Enough. These are the line segments. And next, any 4 rays. So what are the rays? One endpoint. See here. This PB is a ray. right? I'm writing here PB is a ray and MF also. M and this F. You can write anything. Similarly, PH and EF also. Okay, like this you can write any four rays and any four lines. So here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the lines A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, H. So we should write the symbol of line on that letters. Fifth one, any four collinear points. First of all, what is collinear point? Means the points which lies on the same line. Okay, so the people who work together are called colleagues, right? Similarly, the points which lies on the same line are called collinear points. So we can write like this now: A, X, M, P, B or collinear. And similarly, this C, Y, N, Q, D also collinear. H, O, P, G also collinear. F, N, M, E. Okay, you can write anything. And next, second question. Observe the following figures and identify the type of angles of them. See, if it is like this, it is right angle. So it is greater than 180. So this is reflex angle. What is this? Reflex angle. And this is right angle. Right? So it is like L, right angle. And here it is less than 90. So acute angle. Less than 90 means acute angle. Okay. Next, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. Just true or false. No need of justification here. Array has no endpoint means false. It has one endpoint, right? So it is false. It has one endpoint. And line AB is same as line BA. Yes, true. Next, array AB is same as the array BA. No, it is false. AB means starts from A, right? But BA means start from B. So they both are not equal. Next, a line has definite length. No, line has no endpoints. Okay, so this is false. And a plane has length and breadth but no thickness. Yes, a plane will have length and breadth but there is no thickness. So it is true. Now here, two distinct points always determine a unique line. Yes, we can draw only one line to through two distinct points. So it is true. Two lines may intersect in 2 points. False. What are intersecting? So if two lines are like this, only at one point only they can intersect. Okay. Now, two intersecting lines cannot both be parallel to the same line. True. They cannot parallel to the same line. So next here, what is the angle between two hands of a clock when time in the clock is 9 o'clock? Okay. So at 9 o'clock, what is the angle? It is right angle. So it is right angle. Next, at 6 o'clock, it is straight angle, na? 180 degrees. So it is straight angle. Next, see, this is the angle, right? So this is greater than 180. So it is reflex angle or reflexive also you can write. So this is reflex angle. Okay.